this is the Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called Countryside Fried Cauliflower. And the main ingredient we need is Chinese name called 家常炒花菜. The main ingredient we need a cauliflower and 4 peppers. You can have 2 peppers, it's okay, and 2 tomatoes and half onion and 2 garlics. If you cook the cauliflower, if you fry it, I strongly recommend to use some garlic because they will help you don't have some. If you eat the cauliflower, you don't have the gas problem. Usually, some people they have a lot of gas problems, but if you add garlic, it will be good to reduce the gas problem. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay. This cauliflower will, if you have see some darker points, and you just use a knife to cut it, get it away. That's all. It's very easy. Now we cut it. Just cut it to small pieces. To small one, not too big. Just this big. You will use hand to peel to make it small in a pot. You cut it. Small. You can see the hand on the knife to make it. Cauliflower cake. We add water to the cauliflower. The water you add it to cover the cauliflower. So we soak the cauliflower in the water. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it to soak the cauliflower until we use to soak there. This will keep the bugs, let the bugs out, and also make so the bugs will come out and also the cauliflower will be clean. Just put it here too, and until we use it. We cut the green pepper. Green pepper, we cut it like this. So it will be like this. Big. Too big or too small. just need half an inch. You don't need one. And then we cut like this. Tomato. Soaked cauliflower. Right now we drain. And we use cold tap water to rinse it twice. Rinse the salt and the dirt and out from the cauliflower. Okay, we'll leave the cauliflower here and for later use. Turn the stove and medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add a quarter cup of vegetable oil because we have a lot of cauliflower to fry. Rinse the pot. Without hot, we add the garlic and onions into it and fry it. With the onion and garlic and release the good smell, then we add the cauliflower into it and the cauliflower into it. Going to add water to it. This is the certain spices. We add some certain spices, all some spices, or just a little black pepper to it. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. This is soy sauce. Any brand of soy sauce is okay. And add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it. Okay, now we add the tomato into it. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't want to add too much. Now we turn the fire to the high fire. We add 1 cup of water to it. Then mix it. Okay, we cover the lids to cook it until the cauliflower becomes soft. Don't forget to stir it while it's cooking. check the cauliflower. Okay, it's already become soft. So we add the pepper into it. So we add the pepper into it and fry it. Stir it. Okay, we cover it to keep cooking until the pepper is cooked. Then this dish is done. Okay, we check the pepper. The pepper is cooked. We try the flavor. The flavor is good. So this dish is done. Turn off the stove. So the countryside style fried cauliflower is done. Chinese name is 农家炒花菜. This is done. I hope you guys like it.